Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can increase size of text on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end. To increase your size of text on WeChat, firstly go ahead and open your WeChat application. The home page of WeChat will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of WeChat. Tap on General and on the next page, click on Text Size. Now to increase the size of text on WeChat, slide the slider of default to the right side according to your preference. This is how you can increase the size of text on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.